How to make sugar scrub. There is nothing like a good pampering to boost your spirit, refresh your soul and reinvigorate your body. Spa treatments, massage and facials do not serve to only make you feel good. They also have health benefits as well. Even a simple bubble bath has rejuvenating effects that lift you up after a long day. It's not how to elaborate or expensive the pampering is, it's about how good it makes you feel. And some of these you can make right at home, from scratch, with stuff you already have around the house. Being familiar with how to make a sugar scrub will give you that indulgent, luxuriant feeling, exfoliate your skin and revitalize your skin to buttery softness. Sugar scrubs sold in stores are ridiculously pricey, but you're mostly paying for the label. What it contains is predominantly ordinary sugar. The claims of benefits from the scrub, however, do have some merit, not because of the label, but because of the ingredients. Sugar cane contains glycolic acid, a naturally occurring AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, which is a common ingredient in exfoliating scrubs. You can make your own sugar scrub, at less expense, plus you can choose the ingredients you want and need in addition to the sugar. So, let's get started. 1. Gather an empty plastic container, brown sugar, white sugar, olive or palm oil, vanilla, if you like the yummy smell, or other essential oil. A weekly application of sugar scrub is enough to make a significant improvement in the softness of your skin. And leftover sugar scrub can turn rancid if kept too long due to bacteria and water. So, it's better to make small batches at a time. This shouldn't be a problem since they're easy to whip up when you need it. A plastic container is best as it's safe to use in the bathroom. 2. Mix equal parts brown and white sugar and vegetable oil. Add a few drops of vanilla or essential oil for fragrance. Optionally, you can add Epsom salt to the mix, vitamin C properties and cosmetics grade pigments for color. You can even add oatmeal for extra exfoliating action to soften dry, itchy skin. 3. To use, scoop up some of the scrub and massage gently onto your face and body with gentle, circular motions. Enjoy the luxuriant feeling. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. It will set like a mask. Gently rub off with wet, warm washcloth and then rinse with warm water. Towel blot your face and body dry. You may want to follow it up with lotion or body butter to further moisturize and soften the skin. 4. If you do have leftover sugar scrub left in the container, tightly cover it and store in the fridge to use the next week. However, if the smell turns rancid, throw it away and mix up another batch. Sugar scrub are beneficial for all skin types, even children, because they don't have harmful chemicals or side effects. The sugar hydrates skin very effectively, contributing to glowing complexion. Chapped lips will also benefit from sugar scrub, but not one with essential oils. For chapped lips, use plain sugar and vegetable or olive oil to leave it smooth in no time. The sugar won't be harmful or hard to ingest, in case some gets swallowed in the process. The next time you need some serious pampering but don't feel like stepping out of the house, or spending so much, then follow these steps on how to make sugar scrub. You will get to enjoy all the benefits. Indulge and pamper yourself to your heart's content. Visit Billihealth.com to know more about how to make sugar scrub.